Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to whiteboard in Canva. To create a whiteboard in Canva is simple and it can be a great way to share ideas, make presentations, or brainstorm in a collaborative environment. So here is how you can do it. Launch open the Canva application on your mobile device and log into your account. On the home page, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new design. From the top of the screen, go ahead and tap on Whiteboards. Now, from the templates, choose the type of whiteboard you want to use, and then you will be able to add the type of your whiteboard on the screen. Go ahead and adjust the whiteboard's size by dragging the corners of it. Resize and position them to create areas for your content on the whiteboard. And right after you do that, you can use shapes, text, and right after you do that, you can go ahead and add text boxes to write down ideas, levels, or headings. Use the options available at the bottom. You can also use hand-drawn fonts from the text section to give it a more casual or handwritten feel. Use lines to divide sections or create borders for notes, and also add doodle elements for your design. If you want, you can also add photos, icons, or illustration to emphasize specific points, create flowcharts or diagram. Explore around with other options and tools available, and you will then be able to create a whiteboard. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.